One of our guys just got a brand new King Ranch. We are going to see what the stock turbo is made of. Cameron's gonna give us a good driver on the block.
Yeah, we're doing this drive, guys, to see what a stock 17 to 19 turbo is gonna sound like. It'll be a great comparison to see what kind of sound upgrades you get with that KC Whistler. Yeah. Turbo actually has a really nice noise too from the factory. It's a bit, something I've heard on the forums, a bit hair dryer-y.
Yeah, but it has a little bit of that whistle timbre to it, you know? Oh, it's quiet in here. It'll probably be extra quiet, I would imagine, because it's the King Ranch Ultimate. Is this better than a Platinum? Let us know in the comments if it's better than a Platinum, because I don't know which one's King Kong.
It's just what kind of person you are. You live in the Northeast or you're a city boy, you probably want a Platinum. If you own a ranch, you probably want a King Ranch, right?
Yeah. And our coworker James is... well, he wears this kind of hat, and so in honor of him, I had to wear it in his beautiful truck.
All right, guys, so this is light throttle in cab. Nice and quiet. The loudest thing on this is the exhaust. This thing doesn't have a muffler or anything on it, so let's put to the floor. She's pretty rowdy.
Yeah.
The turbo's quiet.
It is. The exhaust sound of a 6.7 is very unique. It kind of like continues that hairdryer effect, but adds some throatiness to it.
Yeah.
It's like a whooshy V8.
Yeah. Moved away from the Chewbacca noise we all know.
What's the best sounding diesel?
I mean, I'm biased. 6.0. It's got freaking flames on it, dude. You know, they're there.
I'm with you. I'm partial.
It's not even a competition for me. That's what I grew up driving. You know, it's what I grew up around. The start, the engine sounds like even stock. I think it sounds so cool.
Yeah, they did a sexy job on it.
The old Cummins sound like tractors. Duramax sounds like an Isuzu box truck. It is. And, trash. And then Powerstrokes. 7.3 sounds a bit tractory. .6.0 I think is the best sounding one ever. 6.7, I mean, stock, it's almost to the point where it sounds like a gasser truck, right?
Yeah.
It's so quiet. You can hear the engine noise a little, but it's so silent compared to any other old school diesel truck.
Yeah, it's nowhere near as clanky as a 7.3 or 6.5 Detroit.
Yeah. Or the old IDI. So this one, I'm gonna get past these guys. This is just from like a 30 roll. All right, you ready?
With our Whistler, we are going to step this truck up a lot of notches in the sound department, speed department, and fun factor.
For all of my 6.0 fans out there, or well, and 7.3 and any old crusty diesel, we're gonna go through a drive-through and not gonna have to shut the truck off. Have a classic smashed jack combo.
Now we have a stage 2 KC Whistler on.
Big shot.
And we're gonna get some sound clips. We're gonna find out how it drives this time around and have a great time. Yeah, I like that already. Well, let's see what a little scoot sounds like with windows down still.
It's just a little throttle. Nice light driving. Keeping her under control.
And again, his exhaust is probably super legal.
So you can hear that whistle a little bit in cab. But honestly, you're hearing more engine noise. I need to buckle up so you can actually hear it. To me, you're hearing more engine noise than you are whistle with the windows up because these trucks are just, they're so comfy. They're so quiet.
So he does have a stock airbox.
Yep.
If you get a upgraded intake, you're going to hear a lot more turbo noises under the hood.
A lot more induction noise. Make sure there's no popos behind.
How did the difference in foot to the floor feel for you?
Oh, it's a lot faster.
It looked like the tires were breaking loose and it was having trouble.
It's a lot faster. Shout out to James. I'm sure he'll be embarrassed when I tell you guys this. So, he bought this truck, right? We did all the before stuff. He's like, oh man, I'm gonna change, put some different rims on it. So he puts them on. He's driving down the road and managed to not put it on all the way. So all of his lugs snapped, I think, on one of the front ones, and his tire just bounced away.
He's watching it?
On this truck.
What? I didn't even hear this.
And he's watching it bounce away. And he's like, oh, well, there goes my tire. So he had to put a whole new, wheel hub and all that, wheel bearing and all that crap. Because he torched it, of course, grinding it on the ground after snapping all the lugs.
Give it a little 10 pounds of boost.
Oh, yeah. No, this thing's gonna build a boost.
Oh, yeah.
It's like half throttle. You're just trying to catch up to traffic.
Oh yeah, that's respectable. What would you want to see from a viewer? Not driving the truck, what is going to help you to be able to understand what we're, as the truck driver, what we're experiencing?
What are some tests that we should do?